Commenter here. Today I wanted to do a video of a DreamHost review for 2019. Today I'm going to give you the pros and cons as well as my honest review of this web hosting provider. If you like this video, you're looking for a good web hosting provider, you're going through other review videos and you found this one to be the most helpful, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, do not forget to hit the subscribe button. We are trying to build this channel up, and the more subscribers, the absolute better. So please make sure to just hit that subscribe button. Also, hit the bell icon for notifications for future videos so you're not missing out on any of my methods of making money online. I love to help you, and every day I'm doing my research trying to find you new and exciting ways to make money online. And in order to see all of them, make sure you hit that bell icon so that way you get notifications for every single time that I upload a video. If you are looking to quit your job and want to be able to work online from home every single day, not have to get in your car and commute an hour to work and an hour back, you want to have more time with your kids, more time with your family, make sure to check out my #1 recommendation for making money online. It's going to be your first link in the description below, so definitely check that out. So guys, getting right into this video, it's going to be a little bit of a long one, so make sure you stay for all of it. I'm going to give you the pros and cons, the things that I like about this, and the things that I'm not too much of a fan on throughout the whole video. So make sure that you stay for the whole thing to figure out whether or not I recommend this web hosting provider. So guys, like I said before, we are going to be looking at DreamHost. So I went to dreamhost.com. Now with DreamHost, this is a web hosting provider which has been around for 25 years. So this has been around for a very long time. It stands the test of time and is a very reliable site to use for your web hosting. They actually host 1.5 million websites, and that's accurate as of October of 2019. So 1.5 million websites are using the web hosting provider DreamHost. Now guys, if you are curious how to get to DreamHost, I'm going to leave my affiliate link right down in the description below. Definitely take a look at that. Obviously it's an affiliate link, which is going to benefit you as well as myself. I'm going to get a very, very small commission, but you are going to be able to get the best, most updated prices for your web hosting site. So if you click the link, you're going to get definitely the best prices as well as giving me a little bit of a commission. So I highly recommend that you check out the link in the description. So what I like about DreamHost is they have really good uptime. They have 99.96% uptime, which is well above average. That's one of the best uptimes that I've been able to find. So that's one of the pros that I can really say about DreamHost is their uptime is phenomenal. Now their page speed is really, really high too. It's 719 milliseconds, which is crazy high, and it makes it really fast. So I highly recommend DreamHost for their good uptime as well as their page speed. It's some of the best that you will ever find. Another thing that I really, really, really like about DreamHost is they have a 97-day money-back guarantee. Now there's no loopholes. If you go and you purchase DreamHost and you use it for 96 days and you decide that you no longer want to use DreamHost, you want to find another web hosting provider, they will give you your money back. You do not have to jump over hurdles. You don't have to jump through hoops. It is a complete cut and dry money back guarantee, which is really awesome because I know a lot of places, other web hosting providers, they make you jump through hoops in order to get your money back, and DreamHost is not about that. They're so confident that you are actually going to love their web hosting provider that they know that most people aren't going to be asking for their money back, especially after they have had it for 97 days. What I have noticed with other web hosting providers is that you either get a 30-day or a 60-day money back guarantee, as well as having to jump through hoops and hurdles to get your money back, which is not the case for DreamHost. It takes a little bit to figure out whether or not you actually like a web hosting provider. So that's one of the beautiful things about DreamHost is they actually give you an extended amount of time of 97 days, which is incredible. One more thing that I wanted to draw your attention to is WordPress recommends DreamHost. It's one of the 3 that they do recommend. I've actually done review videos on Bluehost, SiteGround, and now I'm doing a review video on DreamHost. So DreamHost has been around for well over 10 years. It's about 25 years, actually. Um, it's optimized for WordPress, and their activity continues to be the WordPress community. So this is through WordPress. So I highly recommend anybody who uses WordPress. Um, it can handle everything you need, and it gives you a choice of performance and value to the customers and users alike. So they recommend this. This is the second that they recommend. Obviously, Bluehost comes in first. It's very easy. DreamHost is their second recommended. The one thing that they really like about DreamHost is it's automatically installed. It's immediately ready to use, and it is perfect for beginners. If this is your first time using a web hosting provider, they recommend that you try using DreamHost because it's very easy to use. And if you're beginning, you don't need a lot of things out of it, this is going to be perfect for you. Now back over to dreamhost.com. I wanted to draw your attention to the pricing. So it starts at $2.59 per month, which is a really low cost. So let's just pop over and see what $2.59 per month offers you. So you get a free domain, unlimited traffic, unmetered bandwidth, WordPress pre-installed. Like I said, guys, you don't have to do the installation process. It's going to be pre-installed for you. They give you a WP website builder. They have fast storage, and you also get an SSL certificate. And you can add an email for a really reasonable price for $1.67 per month. So this is going to be perfect for the beginner who's just testing the waters, trying to figure out if this is going to be the right web hosting provider for them. As you can see, it moves up a little bit more. You can have 100,000 monthly visitors, so you get more storage, you get your free domain, you get your meter bandwidth, you get one-click staging, you get your certificate, daily backups, and one-click restore, 24/7 WordPress support, and JetJack pre-installed. So there's going to be more for this one, obviously, because it's the most expensive one. It's going to be $16.95 a month. And then there's also one for $13.75 a month. If you're first starting out, you want to test the waters, try the $2.59 one a month. It's not a lot lost, and I think you're really going to enjoy using DreamHost. So let's pop right back over. Another thing that I wanted to draw your attention to that I thought was pretty cool was they are environmentally aware, and I will show you. You're going to pull all the way down to the bottom of the screen, and what you're going to do is you're going to click right here on green hosting. They use advanced lighting control systems which occupy sensors, their LED low mercury, high efficiency CFL lighting throughout all of it, and they balance highly optimized HVAC plants. So they're very aware of the environmental needs of our planet. So I know this doesn't really interest everybody. I just thought it was a cool little thing to point out to you guys that they are environmentally aware of what's going on. They have high efficiency cooling infrastructures, power efficient processors used whenever possible, and partners with the state level clean wind program. They're powered by grids that obtain electricity from many renewable sources. So they're not out there just polluting our planet, which is really nice because you want to be the change that you want to see in the world. So DreamHost is trying to put the right foot forward and do that for us, which you don't see with a lot of big companies. Another thing that I really liked about DreamHost is when you sign up for a $2.59 monthly plan and you prepay for, say, 3 years in advance, when your 3-year contract is up, your deal, they're not going to jack the prices up for you. It is going to stay at $2.59 after that too. What I've noticed with a lot of web hosting providers is they jack their prices up once you're done with your first, your first contract with them. And they'll jack it up 2 times, sometimes even 3 times higher than when you first started off with them. So that's another pro that I really like about DreamHost. But Like all web hosting providers, they're not perfect. There are definitely going to be cons, as there is with every single web hosting provider. And, you know, we got to talk about them. I told you that I was going to give you my honest review, and I will. So the one thing that I'm not a huge fan about DreamHost is they say that they have 24-hour support. And what I have found with the live chat is once you write a live chat, you end up getting a bot. And it will say something like, we are out right now. And they give you 3 options to pick from. I can't log into my account, and like 2 other options. I can't find a product, and I forget what the other one was. It takes a while for somebody to get back to you. I have noticed once an actual human does get back to you, they're extremely helpful. But to say that they have 24-hour, 24/7 live support is incorrect. And, you know, it's really hard. Sometimes when you're confused, you need an answer right then and there. You can't wait for someone to actually get back to you. So that's one of the disadvantages of using DreamHost, is that their live chat support kind of stinks. Nobody really wants to talk to a bot. When you're confused, you want to talk to a human being, and you want to get answers right then and there. So that's one of my biggest disadvantages and things that I don't really care for about DreamHost. The second thing is they do not offer cPanel. And if you're a beginner, that's just going to be gibberish to you. It's really not going to mean anything. If you're a beginner, you don't even need to pay attention to this, because it's not really going to affect you. But when they don't offer a cPanel, you're going to have to manually migrate all of your files over. It's not done for you. So if you are an advanced person, you're looking for a really good web hosting provider, I'm not sure if DreamHost is going to be right for you, unless you want to migrate all of your files. Another disadvantage of using DreamHost is they don't offer any free site migrations for your files. It's going to be $19.99 per site. And if you have lots of sites, it's going to cost you quite a bit of money. Sites, for example, like Wix and Weebly, they are not free site migrations. You're going to have to pay $19.99 per site. So that's $40 just with the 2 sites that I've mentioned. So I'm not sure, you know, if you are new and you're just starting out, DreamHost is going to be perfect for you. Like I said before, they have really good uptime, really good page speed. They have a 97-day money-back guarantee, no hidden loopholes. So you can't get your money back. You'll just get your money back. Just write them after the 96 days. Say, it didn't work for me. I want my money back. And boom, they'll put your money right back into your account. They have really great pricing, starting at $2.59 per month. And like I said, that price is not going to increase at all. So that's one thing that I really did like about DreamHost. They have been around for over 25 years, and they have 1.5 million websites. WordPress recommends them. It's one of the 3 that they recommend. It's immediately ready, and it's perfect for beginners. So do I or do I not recommend DreamHost? Well, if you're a beginner, I absolutely recommend DreamHost. I think it's going to be perfect for you. It's going to fit all of your needs, and they have great pricing. Like I said, there's going to be some cons. I'm not a huge fan of their support. You end up writing them and getting a bot. Nobody really likes talking to a bot when they're frustrated already. I know I pretty much cuss at the screen when I get a bot. So that's one of the absolute biggest downfalls about DreamHost. Found this video helpful at all, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And definitely hit the bell icon for notifications for future videos. If you are looking for my #1 recommendation for making money online, you're sick of going to work, you're sick of dealing with your boss, check out the first link in the description below. I really think it's going to be helpful and really open doors for you, create a lot of freedom and flexibility in your lifestyle, and be able to substantially change your living situation. So check out my first link in the description below. It's my #1 recommendation for making money online. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Hope you liked it. We'll see you soon.